Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Rolls Royce Ghost. Begin by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle for the main body of the car. This establishes the foundational length and width. Next, add a slightly taller, narrower rectangle on top of the first, which will become the passenger cabin. Remember to keep your lines light, as these are just guides. Aim for an overall length that is roughly 3 times the total height to capture the Ghost's distinctive proportions. Now let's refine the basic shape. Gently curve the top line of the cabin to create the roof and add a subtle curve to the hood, flowing into the front. For the wheels, draw 2 large, evenly spaced circles, making sure they slightly overlap the bottom edge of the main body. These should be prominent. Then, sketch the window outlines, ensuring the front window appears wider than the rear, reflecting the car's elegant taper. It's time to add those unmistakable Rolls-Royce details. At the very front, draw the iconic Pantheon grille, making it tall and rectangular. This is a defining feature. On either side of the grille, sketch the distinct rectangular headlights. Finally, carefully place the elegant Spirit of Ecstasy figurine atop the grille. This small but significant detail truly brings the drawing to life, capturing the essence of the Ghost. For the finishing touches, add the subtle door lines, side mirrors, and small details like the door handles. Now, apply shading to give your drawing depth and realism. Focus on creating shadows under the car and subtle reflections on the bodywork to make it pop. Remember, patience with shading makes a huge difference. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Your finished Rolls Royce Ghost drawing should now look truly luxurious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.